Welcome to Indonesia, a nation of thousands of islands, rich culture, and a currency that tells stories of history and faith. The 2.5 rupiah coin was introduced in the 1950s, shortly after Indonesia gained independence. It's tiny, almost forgotten today, yet it represents the early days of nation building, when every small coin mattered in daily life. Indonesia is home to the world's largest Muslim population. After independence, Muslims faced challenges in balancing tradition, modernization, and national identity. From colonial oppression to the fight for religious freedom, communities persevered, protecting faith, culture, and unity across thousands of islands. The 2.5 rupiah may be gone, but it carries memories of survival, struggle, and a nation uniting under faith and independence. From humble coins to a nation of resilience, Indonesia's story continues. Want all rupiah banknotes in a PDF? Check the description and pinned comment.